Well, the partnership that we're launching today is very much about both ourselves, John Holland, as a leading construction industry participant, joining with CQ University to develop programs to enable students that attend CQ universities to get very up-to-date and relevant workplace information to add on to their current studies that they currently do in their engineering degrees.
We came up with this program which is far beyond just the idea of somebody coming in and giving lectures. It's really about capturing from across John Holland all of the activities that they are doing around a lot of the leading edge understanding about how to do business and bringing that back into the classroom and exciting our students.
Well, we think it's a primary importance because we struggle as a business to even keep up to date with the changes. It's a fast-moving world. So we suspect that universities would really benefit from knowing just what the current issues are at the moment in the workplace.
This is a fantastic opportunity for engagement. This is a great example of how a university can engage with part of its community, in this case industry. So it's a chance for us to help John Holland meet their aspirations, and in turn helps us meet our aspirations to produce the best engineering graduates in the country.
With John Holland, it's been really interesting because we've been able to find out what we're doing after the degree, like what engineers actually do and what sort of projects we'll be working on, and just the diversity of the entire engineering field.
It's very important that the students understand that the answers are not going to be in the back of the textbook, and so having people come in, and the first workshop that they did was on working with endangered species. Often engineers don't understand that that is a very important part of the planning that's done for civil works in engineering, and so to have industry come in and talk about these as important issues really brings it alive.
We want to make our learning experiences as authentic as possible, and the best way of doing that is to get people actually into the industry, out of the university and actually working on the shop floor, or to get people, senior people from the shop floor in those industries to come in and talk to our students. Education is a lot about telling people stories, and if you're getting the great people in from the industries, then they can tell recent stories about their industries.
The main driver for us is to see graduates coming out of places like CQ University with relevant and up-to-date industry information. It makes them work ready.
Yeah, we're doing a lot on sustainability, which is really good this term, and it's really interesting. Well, I want to be a civil engineer, and I'd really like to get into sustainable housing and developing housing that produces its own energy and everything.